KINGREAL's 2025 Italian coil slitting machine project was a complete success. After the machine arrived at the customer's factory in Italy, KINGREAL dispatched engineers to provide comprehensive after-sales training, including installation, operation, and maintenance, until the customer's equipment was running smoothly. In addition to dispatching engineers to the customer's factory for training and guidance, KINGREAL also provides online Q&A and remote troubleshooting to ensure problem-free operation. If a machine part fails, KINGREAL has spare parts ready on demand. Upon receiving the inquiries, KINGREAL will promptly arrange for packaging and shipment, ensuring that the spare part arrives at the customer's factory as soon as possible, without delaying the customer's production schedule. KINGREAL offers highly personalized and comprehensive after-sales service, fostering strong, long-term partnerships with our customers. Welcome to KINGREAL, your best partner.